What's up guys? So this week I made this super amazing and delicious chicken and veggies red curry. It's easy, simple and fast. Check it out. Gosh guys, the smell of this red curry is just so good. I really love Thai food. If you can see all my past Asian meal prep videos, there's tons of Thai recipe. I've tweaked it just to make it a tad bit healthier. But the thing about Thai recipes is that you don't really need to tweak so much to make it healthy because it is already pretty healthy as it is. What I've done is I've actually swapped the normal white rice with brown rice. You can also have this with basmati rice, completely up to you. And I've added lots of veggies and actually made this colorful too. So as you can see right here, easy. These are the ingredients that you need to make this 3-meal prep recipe. So you do need some coconut oil, chicken breasts, onion, red curry paste, capsicum. I've used red, green, yellow capsicum in this. Also need some carrots, ginger, garlic, coconut milk. I've also used some potato starch. Also have some fish sauce and lime juice. So if you are ready to get started in making this brilliant Asian meal prep recipe called the Easy Chicken and Veggies Red Curry, then let's get started. That Asian meal prep recipe video. As usual, if you enjoy that video, make sure you check out other videos of mine. I'll be back right here next week, next Thursday, with a brand new cheap, fast and nutritiously Asian meal prep recipe video. So do like, thumbs up, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next week. Bye bye.